Hello, team. This is Coach Avalos coming to you again with another market update. And lots of things are happening, lots of news tomorrow. We got some CPI data, and I want to share that with you guys first before we get into the stocks. So tomorrow they're reporting at 8:30 in the morning. 8:30. So what does that mean for you? Nothing. It's a nothing burger. Remember that. Oh, thank you for that. Remember, it is a nothing burger. Nothing is going to happen with that data because it's just a detour. People are going to panic. They're going to do whatever they want with their stocks. Best thing for you is play the line. So I've got Bitcoin up here. So I want to run you down with some of the stuff that's going on in the market first, and then we're going to get into the CPI data and what it did last time, okay? And I want to prove to you it's just a detour. It's not going to change anything that's actually happening. So for Bitcoin, we have some bad news, right? We've had, I guess, two CEOs, different companies didn't get along. They were going to do a merger. A lot of rumors on different things. They got mad. If this head and shoulder plays out, and this is a weekly, okay, Bitcoin's going to go down to $8 and about 61 cents. I know it sucks, right? But actually, it could go down to about $1,200. So if you're a Bitcoin fan, if you believe in it, it's in a downtrend. It's a really bad downtrend. So it's down about almost $3,000 today. So be very careful if you're thinking of buying Bitcoin right now. I'd wait a while. The other big one was Tesla. So Tesla, we charted it and we found a triple top on the weekly. And this is going to take Tesla down. If this plays out, it's going to take Tesla down to about $60. Okay. Now, myself personally, I am holding some shorts on it because I do believe in charts, and charts don't lie, and I think this is going to continue down. So keep an eye on Tesla if you want to buy calls. I would not do it right now. We have Amazon, okay? I said I was going to look at buying Amazon when it hit 87, but then I look at the chart and I'm thinking more around 81 to the $65 range, but I couldn't help myself. I actually bought a little bit today, not a lot, because I know it's still going to keep going down. So I'm going to wait for a few more falls, and then I'm going to jump into Amazon because it's almost about 60% off. It's discounted. This is a $160 stock based off the valuation, guys. So be very, very cautious with your investment. But this one, I think, is going to do very well very soon. So I think it'll find a bottom. All right. One more. AMD. So if you look at charts the way I do, look at AMD and you'll see AMD again is just in a downtrend, okay? And I don't think anything is going to save it for now. It's a nothing burger. It's not doing anything. So let's look at SPX. Now that's what I call charting, and this is me. I stay busy. I like to look at things, but I'm just gonna go ahead and let's get rid of all these drawings. Very simple. On the 1 hour, we got a sell signal on SPX, so that tells me we're going to continue down. We did buy some puts right maybe 5 minutes before the market closed because we think it's gonna tank tomorrow, and then when it does, the market opens. We'll make a decision on selling it depending on how much it went down, but probably just going to sell it right off the bat when the market opens. All right, let's go through SPY. So SPY, last time we had CPI data, and this is the most important part, okay? So last time we had CPI data, we saw a nice uptrend, right? Look at that. It went up. And everybody said, oh, CPI data made it go up and it turned the market. And you know what? Absolutely not. Okay, let me show you something that was already happening on the 4 hour. Like I tell you, it's just a detour. So if you look at the last time they reported data was here, okay, October 13th. Okay, I'm going to show you what was going on with the MACD. So the MACD had already flipped. The MACD was headed up. Okay, the MACD was done with going down. Okay, and then it just went up and it continued to go up as planned. Okay, same thing with the RSI. If you look at the RSI from the day before, it started climbing and it just kept going up. So it's not going to change whether the stock market crashes or the stock market goes up. Okay, be very careful with that. Don't think that that's what's going to happen. So what I want you to see is, for now, the market, it's still okay in a downtrend. Okay, and if you're like some of us in the bull ring, okay, you want to make sure that you're drawing your resistance lines, okay, and your support lines. So this for me is resistance. Okay, let me show you how I do it, and I'm just gonna mark that off, and I tell myself, okay, has it crossed that line? Meaning, has the stock started to rise? So if the stock, excuse me there, if the stock is not going past that line, it's in a downtrend. Okay, and of course you can come here and give yourself another line, and you can see what's it going to do. Is it going to fall out? Okay, we talked about this yesterday. It did fall out. This is the new resistance here. It started going up, but look at that, it's red. So we're in a downtrend right now. If we come over and look at our MACD, okay, our MACD flipped a while back and it's still going down. And this is what a lot of experienced traders call confirmation. Okay, so once your MACD gets into this area here, okay, once it goes past the 0 on the histogram, okay, that's confirmation that you are in a reversal and you are in a downtrend. So I hope this helps, gang. Tomorrow CPI data comes out. Okay, let the lines lead you. Do not get upset or think that it's going to reverse, because what they're looking for is, and this is, if you're following CPI, if we get an 8.4%, okay, it's not going to be good for the market. It's going to go down. So if you know how to play options, if you know how to short, okay, you want to do that. Now, if you don't, I'm gonna leave you guys a link. I got some free courses here in the channel. Check them out. But if you guys need help, I'm gonna leave you some links down below. You get 25% off if you want to jump in the bull ring. I'll give you the first 7 days for free. You can test drive it. If you don't like it the first 30 days, we'll give you your money back. You can't go wrong. 30 days. If you didn't like it, it's for free. But remember, play the lines and don't panic tomorrow, because it's just news. It's a nothing burger. So I hope this helps, gang, and we'll see you on the next market update.